Welcome back to ClearTask. We've all been there. You want to boot up a game on Steam, but you don't necessarily need your entire friends list, knowing exactly what you're playing. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide your game activity on Steam in just a few clicks. First, let's look at how to hide all your gaming activity. Open up the Steam desktop app and click on your profile name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select View My Profile. Next, click the Edit Profile button located on the right side of your screen. In the left-hand menu, click on Privacy Settings. Look for the section labeled Game Details. By default, this is usually set to Friends Only or Public. Click the drop-down menu and change it to Private. And that's it. Your playtime, achievements, and current in-game status are now completely hidden from everyone. But what if you only want to hide one specific game and leave the rest of your profile visible? Steam recently added a feature for this. Head over to your Steam library. Find the specific game you want to hide, right-click on it, hover over Manage and select Mark as Private. This hides your ownership, in-game status, and playtime for just this one title, giving you the best of both worlds. If this quick guide helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your private gaming sessions.